The moment we've been waiting for. Oh, let me move to the other side first. The moment we have been waiting for. It's time to meet your team, Creamline Cool Smashers. Are you all ready for this? Are you all ready for this? Tonight, we are honored to witness this powerhouse squad, the Creamline Cool Smashers, the most successful team in the Philippine Volleyball League history. With a record of 10 championships, including a historic Grand Slam just this year. This team has consistently set the standard for Philippine volleyball with their unparalleled excellence and teamwork. It's now time to meet the talented stars who make up this extraordinary team, starting with your local team players. So this means these players are from Canada, but they're joining Creamline Cool Smashers tonight. So we'll start off with Layla Millington. Up next, let's go on, Clara Serrano. Please give it up for Lara Musa. A big hand for Charlene Anaso. Give it up as well for Princess Takana. And of course, the star player from Calgary, from CIC Express Innovation, is Raleigh Gabon! Give it up for the select players from Calgary and surrounding areas, ladies and gentlemen. And it's now time to meet the players who have experienced the highest level of volleyball competition in the Philippines and around the world. First, a promising young talent known for defensive skills and agility. She's a libero with great potential and determination, standing 5'4" from Toronto, Canada. Aliyah Joy Torres! Next, bringing height and precision to the team is an emerging setter from my wife's alma mater, the University of the Philippines. Standing 5'8", please welcome Bea Bonifaz! Now one of the league's most reliable liberos and a crowd favorite for her energy and quick reflexes. Standing 5'3" from the Ateneo de Manila University, please give it up for Maria Carmela Ella De Jesus! Taking charge of the team's offense with her playmaking brilliance is a seasoned setter from my alma mater, Far Eastern University. Standing 5'8", let's hear it for Kyle Tecrito, the PVL Best Setter of 2023. Next, a versatile and consistent performer on both ends of the court. She's an outside hitter who has won the PVL Best Outside Hitter Award. Standing 5'7" from Far Eastern University, give it up for Bernadette Pons! next is a dynamic scorer and leader whose explosive attacks light up every game. The PBL Finals MVP of 2022 and a multiple-time Best Outside Hitter. At 5'7" from Adamson University, please give it up for Gemma Galanta! Finally, the team's most celebrated player, the 3-time PBL MVP. Known for her powerful hits and clutch plays, standing 5'8", the opposite hitter from the University of the Philippines is a true volleyball superstar. Please give it up for John Scarlett! And of course, this amazing team is led by their brilliant technician, Coach Sherwin Meneses, and his trusted assistant, Coach Mark